Hello there and welcome into the module number 3, the communications mastery with ChatGPT, in which we're going to help you tailor make effective outreach strategy via email. We're going to focus on email. And also we're going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to tailor make emails even for the masses, and also to write sequences of emails. So you can write 5 emails, a sequence of 5 emails, or a sequence of 3 emails, depending on what you would like to achieve. And also, most importantly, how you can use ChatGPT to create a sales presentation using ChatGPT plugins such as Canva. Stay tuned and let's dive right in. So here I'm back at the chat right here, and I'm going to open up a file right here, which I'm going to assume that is a file where I carry emails. Now, all of these are dummy emails. Nothing here is information of real people, just dummy information. And we're going to assume that we have 10 customers or 10 leads, Ava Smith, Liam Johnson, up to Lucas Anderson. And every one of them has their interests, their age, and their gender, occupation, and so on and so forth. And that we would like to create emails for them. So I'm going to take this file into consideration, and let's go back into ChatGPT. So here I'm using plugins. So I will not have the feature to upload a Excel spreadsheet, though I could use a plugin such as Access Google Sheet, but I would like to not do that in this case. So I'm going to copy the entire data right here, and I'm going to go back into ChatGPT. So I'm going to say, here is, and I said, here is data about 10 leads. For each one of them, write an email outreach to send them about this particular product. And I can just basically paste in the information. Like I said, this is just dummy information. We're not displaying any real information here. And right now, ChatGPT is basically proceeding to generate a response. So for Ava Smith, this is the subject line. So unleash your creativity anywhere with our waterproof, bulletproof computer. The email reads like this. Hi, Ava. As a graphic designer with passion for art, design, and photography, I understand the importance of having a reliable tool that keeps you with your creative flow. No matter where inspiration strikes, our waterproof or bulletproof computer is designed to endure, ensuring your projects are safe, whether you're editing photos by the seaside or sketching them in the rain, and so on and so forth. And similarly for Liam Johnson, hey Liam, as a fellow tech enthusiast who enjoys the great outdoors and so on and so forth, I thought you'd appreciate a computer that's adventurous as you are. Imagine a device that's not only cutting edge, but also waterproof and bulletproof. So it is basically generating emails for all of them. Now, let's say, for example, we want to isolate one customer. So let's say you want to isolate the first customer, Ava Smith. So I'm going to say, for Ava Smith, generate a follow-up sequence for 4 days. Let's say you want to follow up with that person for 4 days. Now it's going to take that into consideration, and it's going to generate emails for 4 days on top of the first day email. So here, day 1, reinforce the value proposition. So subject line is dive deeper with into our creative potential, Ava. Day 2 is address the potential concerns, overcoming creative boundaries together. And then day 3, offer a personalized demo consultation. And the day 4, create a sense of urgency. So it's, as you can see, really creating incredible emails. And this is the secret of email outreach using ChatGPT. You can later on take these emails, put them in files, and basically even after you put them in these files, you can add a click here button right over here, and you can add a hypertext link in your computer of where that file is. And whenever you want to send any email, you just have to click. And this is actually something I personally do with my leads as well. So I create the emails first, and then I just follow up. And I have emails prepared for a list right now, this moment, of 300 potential buyers. I have the list ready, and all I do, I log into that file and I just click on the particular button where I have the emails, and then I just follow up. I usually do sequences of 3 to 5 days because I think that is the minimum that you should do if you're targeting people via email, because chances if they didn't see the first one, they will see the second and the third. And it's just great to repeat because repetition is key. So now that you have seen how you can use ChatGPT to create email outreach, I will see you in the next lecture.